Dr. Swati Suradkar. I am a breast cancer surgeon. Today, on the occasion of World Cancer Day, I want to make you aware regarding the alarming statistics of cancer. The cancer is increasing all over the world. It is rapidly, the incidence is rapidly increasing all over the world. Today I am going to speak only regarding breast cancer. So the incidence of breast cancer is also increasing, very rapidly increasing all over the world. As you know, breast cancer is the most common cancer occurring in women all over the world as well as in India. Regarding the breast cancer is more common in USA and Western countries like European countries. The incidence is very much high, and all over the world around 1.7 million cases are diagnosed each year of breast cancer. Around 522k deaths are happening due to breast cancer worldwide each year. So India also, the incidence of breast cancer is rapidly rising. All over the world, you can say the rate of increase in cancer is around 6%, but the rate of increase in cancer is more in developing countries, which includes India also. So in India, the rate at which the cancer cases are increasing is very much. It's around 2% per annually. So the most striking differences between the breast cancer incidence occurring in Western countries and in India, there are few differences which are very important. In Western population, the breast cancer is occurring. The peak age of incidence is around 60 to 70 years. The 60 to 70 decade is more having the incidence of breast cancer, but in India it is happening one decade earlier. That is, it is in peak incidence is in 40 to 50 years of age. So India, we are more often we are coming across younger women diagnosed of breast cancer. In India, the incidence is more in urban population or metro cities like Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, etc. As compared to the remote places. So around, we can say it is around 25 per lakh women having incidence of breast cancer in India. In India, we are coming across the more aggressive forms of breast cancer, which are triple negative and HER2 positive. These are more aggressive types of breast cancer which are occurring in our country. Second most thing is the younger, more and more younger women are detected of having breast cancer. Third thing is that in India, the breast cancer is detected at late stage as compared to West population, where the breast screening mammography programs are taken by governments. So in India, the screening mammography, the awareness regarding screening mammography is not much. So we are coming across almost all the cases which are diagnosed of breast cancer are usually clinically detected cancers and not the screening detected cancers. So they are not detected in early stage, or they are detected at later stage. So the mortality is also more. Around 50 to 60% of women, they die within a year who have diagnosed with late stage of breast cancer. So in the rapid rise in breast cancer cases, we can say due to urbanization, industrialization, or growth in population, and the detection at late stage of breast cancer is due to like illiteracy or lack of awareness, or we can say financial constraint, some social stigmas. So I take this opportunity to tell you all that we should be having awareness regarding breast cancer. We should spread awareness regarding breast cancer in the society, and I will suggest every woman above age of 40 years she should do a screening mammography. It is a must for her. So this is Dr. Swati Suradkar, breast cancer surgeon, and thank you very much for listening to me.